Hi, Jamie. Just got your email. Wanted to show you that I've gone into your account. One of the key things that you'll have to make sure is that on whatever device that you're working on, that you have Adobe Reader. You can actually get this as a Google extension app. If you're looking at it on a mobile device, you can even download the Adobe Reader for free. I will send it to you in a Google Drive. So as long as you have Drive, that you'll be able to open up the link. You should be able to open it up on a computer. If you have Drive or even Google Docs or Adobe on your mobile device, that you should be able to open it. Long and short of it is, in order to view most of these things, you need to have that. So I'm in your account right now. When you click on that, it should look like this, and I have Adobe on my phone, and I also have it on my computer. So this is what the article should look like. I'm going to make those into a link and send them to you right now so that you will be able to open them. Okay?